Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today will be my first day recording, giving you all content on a day in the life of a local truck driver. So today, it just so happened my first day of recording. I had, my first load. Well, today I had a round trip altogether: pick up, drop off, and come back where I picked up from, and go home. So today, I get here. My load picked up at 8 o'clock. So I get here at 8 o'clock, and right now it's currently 10:20. So I've been here waiting for 2 hours and 20 minutes just to get in the dock. So yeah, so now I'm in the dock, and I'm just waiting. Day in the life of a local driver, just waiting, and this load's supposed to be done before 3 o'clock. We'll see how that goes. Picks up going to Brighton, going to Brighton, Michigan, and then coming back here to Detroit, the Detroit DMS. So, yeah. So that's how my morning's been going on my first day of recording. But other than that, just I guess chilling, hanging out till I'm loaded. Remember, I've been waiting for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So this is how it's going.